Welcome back to CodeChef. Imagine you've got a word written on paper and you want to count how many letters it has. Check which letter is in the middle or slice out just part of it. Java can do all that easily with string methods. Think of a string like a row of lockers. Each locker has a letter, and you can count how many lockers there are using length. Peek inside one locker using charAt, or copy a few lockers in a row using substring. In Java, strings come with built-in methods that let you inspect or extract information. The length method returns how many characters are in the string. The charAt method returns the character at a specific position. And substring start, end returns a smaller string that's part of the original one. Let's see this in action. If we write, Java will execute it step by step. Length counts all characters and gives 5. charAt1 fetches the second letter, which is E. And substring 1 to 4 extracts characters from index 1 to 3, giving ELL. Here are some quick tips. Remember, indexing starts from 0, not 1. You can use substring start alone to copy from a position till the end of the string. And you can combine these methods for creative operations, like extracting initials or trimming words. Now it's your turn. Try the CodeChef practice problem called String Basics, Length and Substrings. You'll get hands-on practice using length charAt and substring to analyze and extract parts of strings. Today you learned 3 powerful string methods. Length counts characters, charAt gets a single character, and substring slices a part of the string. They're your toolkit for exploring and manipulating text in Java. Keep practicing, keep coding, and remember, code, debug, repeat. Build mastery with CodeChef.